Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to duplicate a site on Wix. This is useful when we want to create a copy of our website for testing, redesigning, or reuse. Let's get started. On the Wix Studio dashboard, we can see all our sites. When we want to duplicate one of them, we just need to click the three horizontal dots to open the Site Actions menu. From here, we will find the Duplicate Site option. Once we click this, Wix will make a copy of the site. We can give it a name, like Duplicate Site or Site 1. Then we just wait for it to finish loading. Keep in mind that the time this takes will depend on the size of the site. And just like that, the duplicate appears. We can now edit it freely without affecting the original site. That's all it takes to duplicate a site on Wix. With this simple method, we can quickly create a copy and work on it without touching our original site.